beautiful here. As long as I'm with you, everything is beautiful.
Look at this! Absolutely ridiculous! Just stand there. Keep out! Don't bother, Shadow.
You're no fun, Shadow. Stop teasing me, Amy.
Blah! See ya, Shadow! Sonic...
Hurts so bad.
Vital signs are rising. We need to administer the serum now.
Are you sure it will work?
Make it stop. Please. I can't.
Oh, please. Please wake up. Don't leave me. I can't lose you. I feel so weird. The readings are off the charts. Oh no. Who is that? Stay back. It's them.
It's okay, Sonic. Stay with me.
We're ready, Sonic. Just hold still. No! Stop, Tails! Hold still, Sonic. This is for your own good. Oh my goodness! What is that? It's too bright. Help. Sonic? Are you all right? Oh my gosh, he's okay. Oh man, this is bad. It's glowing. What's happening? Whoa, I'm okay. He's shrinking. You did it, Sonic. Ah, that's better.
Whoa!
Is that what I think it is? This is absolutely delicious.
Faster! I have to get even faster!
This is so much better than running. Oof. Why is this so heavy? It's just a little pink thing.
Because you're not trying. Focus, Amy! Focus!
That, is it!
Eat this. It's for your own good, Amy. I care about you. Thank you, Sonic.
We'll get there, Amy.
I missed the chocolate already. No, this isn't happening. Yes, it is, Sonic. Look.
I never want to see you again!
Why are you doing this?
Get out!
No, please don't. I'm sorry, Amy. It has to be this way. You are coming with me. No, Sonic, please don't do this. Sonic, please don't do this.
I'm leaving, Amy.
It's over. No, please. What about our baby? Don't leave me alone.
Whoa! Not going out there.
Get out! Sonic, please, no. Oh, careful. Hold on. Just a little further. Almost there. Open up! Please, please, open the door! Sonic,
Sonic, let us in. Just talk to us. Just go away. I'm not opening the door.
Oh, I need you. Please.
Why?
Why won't you open it? I never thought it would come to this. He's not here, and I'm all alone. Please open the door. Please. I'm begging you. Don't leave me out here. Where are you? Amy, are you all right? He's gone. No, he's here. Ready to lose, Sonic? The winner gets a date.
Round 1, begin! Too easy. I'm just warming up. Phew. Okay, that one has a little kick.
Ugh. My stomach is starting to stretch. Giving up so soon? Have some habaneros.
I never give up. H. Hoti!
Ugh, I look like a balloon, but I will win.
The final round. The legendary Dragon Pepper.
Oh, so the ultimate life form is just giving up? Good to know.
I hope my 2 favorite inmates are comfortable. Welcome to my maximum security block.
Amy? You've got to be kidding me.
That's Warden Rose to you, prisoner.
Let us out immediately, or I will destroy this place.
Don't test me, Shadow. I make the rules here.
System encryption level maximum. Initiating core stabilization. Confirm.
Arg! Too strong!
Can't hold it!
Stay down. Both of you.
Chaos control. What? They found us! Get ready!
Truce? You bet! This place has the best margarita, Sonic.
Waste of time. Grab a seat, Shads. My treat. Thanks, Sonic.
Ooh, extra cheese, garlic bread. Ah, I want it all.
Just get the largest one. I want to leave. Come on, come on. Too slow. Here you go. 1 giant pepperoni, extra cheese, and... Whoa.
This is absolutely delicious. Oh no! My tummy! Excuse me,
Amy. You okay over there? Like, seriously. What is wrong with her? My eyes are burning.
Oops. I guess extra cheese was a bad idea. Oh, look at this beautiful flower. It's perfect, just like you. Oh, thank you.
fly! Not so fast, you blue pest! You okay?
I'm fine. Thank you, Sonic. You're the best, Sonic. Thanks, Amy.
Chili dogs or Chaos Emeralds? Seriously? What are these scribbles?
Coo?
Fine, whatever. Just try to be more specific next time.
You know I'll be back, right?
You're buying groceries this time, no Chaos Emeralds. Heh, we'll see about that, old man. Where is everyone? What happened here? Not again.
Giggles happily. Choose and giggles again.
You idiot! No! Now you've done it! Leave me alone, Shadow. I didn't mean to. Chaos Control! All right, stay in there. Just give me a minute.
Sonic, be careful. Oops! No! Are you all right, little guy?
Baby Sonic! Where are you?
Peekaboo! Surprise! Ah! Yawan.
Oh.
Mro?
Another boring day. This is the worst. I trust you know what you're doing, Hedgehog.
We'll find out, officer. I never thought I'd see you here.
Me neither, but I'm glad I found you.
I never thought I'd see you here. I care about you, Amy. I know, Shadow. I care about you too. You shouldn't be here. I wouldn't be anywhere else.
Keep up, I don't have all day. Huh? Wait. Oh, no! No, 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 no! You won't keep me here! I'm getting out!
What was that? The anomaly is reacting to something.